Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from Smartsheet system to AgileCRM. This is necessary to automatically transfer new rows from Smartsheet to other systems. For example, in AgileCRM, create new contacts every time you add new rows to Smartsheet. It is convenient to store them, process them, and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Smartsheet data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get Rows New. At this stage, you need to connect your Smartsheet account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to enter the login and password from your Smartsheet account. At this stage, you need to give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, select the sheet from Smartsheet where the data you need is located. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your rows in Smartsheet. If you are satisfied, click Next. This completes the Smartsheet data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose AgileCRM as the data ingestion system. Next, you need to select an action, Create Contacts. At this stage, you need to connect your AgileCRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to specify domain, login, API key or password. In order to get a domain, you need to go to AgileCRM. Copy domain from address bar. Please note that you need to copy domain without extra characters. Next, paste it into the required field in the ApiX-Drive service. Next, you need to specify the login of your AgileCRM account. You also need to specify an API key. To do this, go to AgileCRM. Next, go to Admin Settings in the Developers and API section. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive service. When all the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Smartsheet. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to AgileCRM. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to AgileCRM. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, The data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.